friends, welcome to Pro Strings. I'm Henriette and today we are playing Dinosaurs from the Waggon Wheels book. So, the Dinosaurs is written in the key of G major and we're going to warm up just playing a G scale. So we're playing every note twice with long bows and we're going to make our bows as straight as we possibly can. And with that I mean that you're going to try and push your bow arm forwards like that. So that my hand finishes straight in front of my body here. So be careful that you don't let your bow go sideways like that, because what happens with your bow stroke is this. You see? And when that happens, it doesn't matter, it happens to most people when they're early on in their violin playing days. What you need to do is push that bow straight. So you push it straight so your hand is straight in front of your body. Here we go on the G scale. 1, 2. Well done, very good playing. Now you may also have learned the G arpeggio and I'm going to play it next, so why don't you join me? We're going to play the arpeggio notes, every note once, but then at the end we'll repeat the whole arpeggio. So here we go. 1 and. Let's think about the letter names of the notes of the arpeggio now. The letter names are, and I'll let you have a go at it, G, B, D, G. Next we're going to play the Dinosaur song, so I'll play it for you first so you can listen to what it sounds like. Here we go, and... So when we play Dinosaurs, I would like you to use half bows, so from here to the middle, on each crotchet, and a whole bow on each of the minims. So you can see that very clearly when I play the beginning. Half, half, whole bow. Now the next two half bows come from the point of the bow to the middle. I want you to really focus on those bowings. So, will you join me? We're going a notch slower. Okay? 1, 2. Well done. And if you've done it correctly, you should end your last note here at the heel of the bow. Shall we play it a little bit faster now? Let's see if you can manage. Go on then, let's have a go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. That was a super practice. If you've enjoyed this video, why not like it and write in the comment section below. And I look forward to seeing you again next time. Goodbye.